the way we think or perceive guidance counselors should also change. Guidance counselors are not disciplinarians. They are not going to impose strict penalties. Diba? That's how old people perceive guidance counselors in the past. And so they have often been perceived and judged negatively by students. And so nobody wants to be brought to the guidance counselors because of it. But that's not what they do. They actually listen to our concerns and our emotions, and they do provide a lot of help. And then you have psychologists. For more specialized treatment, you now have psychologists and psychiatrists. But the difference is psychiatrists are the ones who diagnose people with clinical disorders. They're the ones who provide medications. But it's the psychologist who would provide therapy, psychotherapy, counseling sessions. And there are different types of therapeutic frameworks or interventions that you could try. So there are more behavioral interventions, meron namang cognitive behavioral interventions. There are interventions that will be family-based solutions. We're not just looking at how the mental health problem affects the person, but how it affects the family and how it manifests as a family problem. So there are different therapeutic solutions that we could actually try and address. It's not just the traditional type where you have to take medications. Talk therapy also works, but there are also non-specialized treatment in some more community-based interventions that we can actually try and implement. Now that we have the mental health law, we can maybe more implement mental health interventions in the school setting, in the workplace. And so mental health becomes part of the curriculum, and it becomes integrated in our plans, for example. So early on, even during their primary education and secondary education, students are already exposed to mental health and how to take care of themselves. And so they don't anymore have to wonder how to seek help or what to do or how to recognize if they have any of these conditions.